My name is Jack Hill. I'm the president and CEO of Minuteman International. We have Minuteman as our commercial brand, Multi-Clean is our chemical brand, and then PowerBoss is our industrial brand. We chose Kubota engines because their quality is just, it's a notch above everyone else's. So we feel like we build a really industrial product, and the Kubota industrial engine is a really good fit for our message. We're pretty happy with the reliability of the Kubota, but more importantly, the support. With engine power, they've proven several times to us that it's more than a transactional relationship. It's really a partnership. We had such good success with their service network across the globe.
My name is John Longville. I'm one of the regional OEM sales managers for Engine Power. We are a Kubota distributor in the Midwest. My relationship with PowerBoss is great. Been working with them since 2011 when they decided to build a new machine called the Nautilus.
A big part of that shift was Kubota was very strong in diesel, and we had used Kubota diesel engines since we acquired PowerBoss, but they never had an LP or a gas version until around 2011.
Now I'm happy to say that it's all Kubota engines in all of their products.
Every one of our dealers has access to a local Kubota dealer, which is really important for us.
Whether you're dealing with the sales component at Kubota or the engineering staff or simply trying to get parts, they are number one. There's just nobody else in this business that does it better, and that allows us to be the best that we can be for our customers.
When you say we're shoulder to shoulder in these, good times and bad, that to me is where I look at this is a real partnership with Engine Power and Kubota. We appreciate everything they do for us. We've really turned PowerBoss into a premium brand, and Kubota was a big part of that.